Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Corvette Stingray maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, left, right, up, down, select as enter, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car, start it or not, it doesn't not matter. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start it now. It is easier if I didn't start it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start it for you guys. And go ahead and click left, and those going to pop up, as you can see on the left side, all these. Then you can scroll down, up and down. Actually, click left again. Okay, you go ahead and click, scroll up and down until you find info right there. Click yes on info. Now you can see oil life is 100 because I already reset it. And if it's, just scroll up and down until you find the oil life. Right there. And it'll show you like a 0% when it's not reset, but it's reset already, so it's 100. But even though I reset it already, I can reset it again. And all you do is press the select button and hold it until you hear the beep right there, guys, and the 0 should turn to 100. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.